Welcome to all in the class of physical education for class 12th, unit 4 physical education and sports for CWSN. Today we will focus on the strategies to make physical education activities accessible for CWSN. CWSN, those who are the disabled person or disabled child, for that we should have some special care, or we require to some special attention towards them regarding their each and every activity. Maybe that is sports or games, maybe that is the academics activity, maybe regarding any type of activities. We should have, or we should give the proper attention towards the disabled children or disabled persons. So these are some points on the behalf of that we have to be discussed about the strategies to make a physical education activities accessible for CWSN. Number one, activity according to individual abilities. As per the individual, those who are disabled person or those who are disabled child, as per their ability or as per their need or as per their capacity, we should have the program to the activity or the event. Second one, modify equipment. As per the disabled person, we should have a different or modified type of the equipment for that to participate in each and every activity or event than the common person or common child. Next one is the simple and easy rules. We should have a create, or we should make a simple and easy rules than the common children or common persons to participate in games or physical activities, to assess them easily, or maybe they are encouraged, they are to motivate the participate in the physical activities. Next one is the motivated to participate freely. We should have the motivate them to participate freely without any type of the hesitation or without any type of the problem. Next one, well instructed and trained properly. We should have them instruct very properly and trained very properly before the starting any type of the event or any type of the sports or games activity, because if we will instruct them before the activity, then they have to be participate in that event or activity very freely or very encouragedly. Next one, encouragement from a spectator. During the competition or while the any type of the games or sports activity, the main role of the spectator is also important. They should be encouraged them than the other or common persons or common child or children, because on the behalf of the encouragement they have to be enthusiastic and they will take more interest in that particular physical activity. Next one, suitable environment. We should provide, or we should try to provide the very good environment or suitable environment to the especially those who are disabled person or children, just like the hygienic environment, or we should neat and clean environment, or without pollution, without any noise pollution. So this type of the suitable environment we should try to provide them to participate in the activities or events. Next one, the participation under experts. Under the trained or under the experts, they should have participate in each and every activity or in each and every physical activity or work, because on the behalf of that they have to be safely to be participated in the event or activity. So these are some important points. On the behalf of that, we have to say a strategy to make physical education activities accessible for CWSN. Thank you.